What's up guys, so today is we got here Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Oh my god, it's day 7. I feel like I didn't film anything yesterday. I just didn't want to have my camera with me, and then the day before was my birthday, so I only filmed a little bit. Today we're going back to Universal Studios for the 3rd day, so 3 out of 5, and then tomorrow we're going to take a day off. We're going to do something my sister wants to do, and then we're going to be going back next week. So I might bring my camera, I'm not sure. We will see. This is my outfit of the day. I have my hair up in little space buns. Shirt is from Garage. Fanny pack is from Bentley. And then my black shorts are from Garage from a few years ago.
Oh wow, so, but I can't lose Jordan because like my life without Jordan would be like, y'all never want to see me without Jordan. I would go off the rails. I don't know, I'm at this weird point where I feel like a lot of the things I could tell people about like what's going on, I should just be like responsible and mature and take up like legally and like I'm trying to grow. And like I'm definitely in a place where I think exposing the identity of someone like definitely trying to like harm me or fuck with me might hurt me more. So I don't really know. I'm not saying there won't ever be a stalker update by any means. I'm just saying I'm waiting for it to feel safe. You know, because obviously safety for everyone is the most important thing. You know? Yeah. So yeah. Oh my god, no, it's amazing. So you're like serving me that high and you're just like beautiful and
Yo, what the fuck is good? Hello? She's so cute. Look at her. With her healthy ass hair and her nice ass vibes. Guys, if you're watching this, subscribe to her right now. Before I let you go, we need to have like clickbait. So we have to take a clickbait thumbnail. Like, okay. Oh my god, she's good at it! She like snapped. I don't know what the clickbait is. Say I don't know. I suck. Bye.
Ready, Bailey? They're gonna come out.
Well, see you down there. You can clear off now. My patience is running thin.
Those shoes look awfully comfortable.
Nobody is sitting at the stairs. Let's go quick before somebody snags it.
Maybe at 6 it'll be a lesser.
And everyone's at dinner. Coffee around 2. this yesterday. No, was it yesterday or the day before? The day before? Get it, get it, get it, get it.
Therefore, Professor Dean, our esteemed history of American professor, will present his thorough and short story entitled Hobbit.
Excuse me, we reckon we should warn you. If you stay much longer, you'll find yourself listening to Professor Binns go on about the history of Hogwarts.
Which should be pointed out is rather fascinating.
She always goes quiet.
First thing you gotta know about hippogriff. You give me a thing. Hippogriff.
Whoa, is that an owl? Oh my god. Is that a real one? That would have been cool. It's gonna be me next, I think.